World Famous. We're here with our newer Bronco, the big boy. So we just got a box from our friends FabTech, so we're gonna check out what we got. You know, 'cause everybody loves an unboxing, right? All right, look at this right here. This thing is the brand new FabTech rear diff cover that they just sent over for the new Bronco. And we're really excited to get this installed. Check it out, see how it looks on the Bronco. They also sent over the hardware, which is always nice to have, and oh look, we got a couple stickers, some different color options. That's really cool. Thank you for that, FabTech. But we're really excited to do the rear diff cover because this is the newer version that FabTech just came out with. So if you guys want to check out the rest of the mods and keep on with our build, you guys can like and subscribe below, and check out all the fun that we're having here at World Famous.
Hold on.